This illustration deals with power sources for Class 2 and Class 3 circuits in accordance with 725.121A, B, and C. Now, notice that we have a power supply of 120 volts coming into one side of that boiler control panel. And notice we have contacts there. We have a low and water overpressure relay. We have two. One is a device. Well, there's basically two of them listed shown in the drawing. But we also have a 24 volt circuit, Class 2, current limiting transformer located in the boiler control panel. Now, the Class 2 circuit is a 120 volt rated circuit at 30 volts or less. And notice that it is a hazardous type circuit, and so to speak, because if we should obtain too much pressure, then the switches are made to relieve this pressure and not allow the pressure to build up in such a manner that we could have a steam develop that could cause an explosion to occur of the enclosure. Now, the note says, and gives us some additional information, that the voltage ratings in the overcurrent protective device are based on either inherently or not inherently protected circuits. And again, to see the output of these circuits and so forth, we're instructed to see tables 11A, B, and C of Chapter 9. And we would get the output for Class 2 and Class 3 circuits. But as noted early, a Class 1 circuit is given to us in 725.41A or B. So this is showing a type hazardous circuit that must be I shouldn't say well protected in enclosures, because we can't afford for those devices to fail in case of an overpressure type condition developing in the equipment. So figure 4-17 illustrates power sources for Class 2 and Class 3 circuits in accordance with 725.21A, B, and C. 725.2, I believe, defines these circuits. If not, then go to Article 100 and you would find these circuits definitely defined there. So notice then that to get the output of these circuits is just to get a feel for those circuits, we would look at the tables and look at table 11A for DC, table 11, or AC, table 11B for DC, and Chapter 9. And then again, the output is 30 volts or less, and it could be 100 volt amps or less rated type circuit in accordance with table 11A or B to Chapter 9. So that's illustrated for that Class 2 power circuit in the dotted, circled in information pointing toward the boiler control panel.